When I decided to work with shades of blue and a touch of yellow, I really was not expecting this outcome. Was this going to be another epic fail, I thought? After dumping that dark navy over these beautiful shades of blue and a touch of yellow, I thought that this was it. I thought that, oh my gosh, I ruined another beautiful work of art. But upon seeing the dried result hanging on my wall, I was like, what? What am I seeing? Check out today's video, guys. You're gonna love it. Hello everyone, it's Camille. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. Today I'll be working with shades of blue and a touch of yellow on a 9 by 11 inch canvas, and I'll be dumping dark navy over these colors. The dark navy was a custom made Artist Loft black mixed with some blue by Artist Loft. Those are flow acrylic colors, and all the other colors I'm using, the shades of blue and the yellow, they're by Deco Art Crafters Paint. You guys can always check out the names in the description box below. This is my second attempt on this piece. I'm using a reusable canvas. I've already painted on it and I'm painting over this canvas, and this is my second attempt with these colors. So yes guys, I was just playing around with these colors and I thought this was going to be another epic failure, you know, because the first one didn't come out so great and I wanted to redo, so I scrape it. Hence you see all the mess underneath my canvas there and around my canvas. Yes, I was playing around, same colors, same technique, the puddle pour pearl cell technique. So you know guys, thank you so much for tuning in and checking this video out. I am really happy with the outcome. I really wasn't expecting what I saw at the end, and honestly I didn't see it until I actually hang it on the wall. You know, maybe what I'm seeing and what you guys are gonna see is something totally different. You know, it's all in your eyes, but for what I saw, it's just amazing. Please do stick around and watch to the end, guys. I do hope you enjoyed the video, and if you do, give me a thumbs up, you know, share this video with your friends and family, and if you haven't subscribed as yet, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the bell, hit all, so that you're notified each time I post a new video. Alright guys, and of course all my paintings are available for purchase. You can email me at camilleamoy@gmail.com, or you can follow me on Instagram at camille.amoy.art. You can send me a direct message on my Instagram. Find me on Facebook as well, guys. All the information I've just said would be listed in the description box below. You can always, you know, go ahead and check that out. So don't go away, stick around for the close-up of the wet result and the dried result coming up. Here it is, the close-up of the wet result. I was just so amazed. I was so happy with the colors. The colors turned out so beautiful, and I'm happy that I used that navy blue instead of black. It just tied in so beautifully with the colors, and the yellow does bring a lot of contrast in this piece, and it's just amazing, guys. Beautiful, beautiful painting. What do you guys have to say about this one? So trying to figure out how I wanted to hang this on the wall was another challenge for me. So I thought that this is the best way to hang it. So after I hanged up and I walked away from it, and then I turned around and I looked at it, I saw a wave. I saw a beautiful wave crashing down, guys. I'm not sure if you're gonna see it, but for me it was just so beautiful with the golden yellow sunlight reflecting on these beautiful waves. So as you guys can see, you know, that little section right there where the wave moves up and then, you know, it curves down. So if you guys can look at it like that, you know, you will see like one of those spiral, semi-spiral sort of a wave that's crashing down, and then oh my gosh, it's just beautiful. It's amazing. I just love abstract art. You know, you just never know what you're gonna get. I'm really amazed. I'm loving it. So let me know in the comment section below what you guys think about today's video, and of course like and share this video with your friends and family, and do check out my playlist. And I do hope I will get to see you guys here again, checking out more contents on Camille Amoy Art. Bye.